Hello, all. How are you guys doing tonight? I just wanted to let you know that I'll probably be busy for the next few days. I have my dentist appointment, and I'm not looking forward to it. But the nice thing is that I think the infection went down. So a shout out to TheraBreath mouthwash. They have a mouthwash that actually like detoxes everything, but you have to make sure you follow the directions. So I did it once and it went down like a lot. So I'm gonna do it again tonight. But anyway, I'm not looking forward to it. So wish me luck that I just stay calm. I have a very tiny mouth. So when the dentist, I always tell the dentist, look, I have a very small mouth. You make me go too wide, it's gonna be tough for all of us. So anyway, and I just wanted to remind you, if you can, please subscribe, please like, please share. That would be great. So anyway, wish me luck with the dentist, and don't forget to subscribe and share. Have a great week. I'll see you next week, maybe earlier, but it depends. This weekend I'm gonna take a break from work. I'm gonna go watch the new Scream 7 movie. I'm a huge Scream fan, so don't spoil it for me. I've seen all of them. I remember when the first one came out, and I really liked it. So I'm looking forward to that, to doing it, going to in the theater. I haven't been to the theater in a long time. So anyway, that's that. Have a great week. I'll talk to you guys later.